Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. The insider ownership of a stock can sometimes be used as a gauge on direction of the company. By this, we mean that the presence of high insiders could be a bullish signal. Insiders guiding a company may have more incentive to drive growth and result when they are heavily invested. And that's the situation we see with Singapore-based Kenon Holdings Ltd. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol KEN, which has a significant insider ownership of 56.3%. This 1.6 billion market cap pick operates as a holding company with its primary focus on power generation and minority interest in maritime shipping. Kenon invests in and helps grow these businesses. John, what can you tell us about this company?
Thanks, Mo. Kenon Holdings' primary investment is its 54.5% equity stake in OPC Energy Ltd, and that's a power generation company with facilities in the US and Israel. The holding company is also the single largest shareholder of ZIM, or ZIM, global marine shipper, with a 16.5% minority interest. Now, Kenon Holdings stock is trading, at least at this recording, around $34, but remains well below its record $72.90 per share in May of 2022. Now, compared to the market, Ken stock has fared pretty well with a move of 62.5% gain in 2024. Now, if you take a look at their chart at incomeinvestors.com, Kenon Holdings stock is trading above both its 50-day moving average of $30.12 per share and 200-day moving average of $26.06 per share. Now, technicians will also like that Ken stock is in a golden cross, which is a bullish technical crossover when the 50-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average. Now, this generally signals that there should or could be gains ahead.
It reported 5 consecutive years of revenue growth.
Yeah, Kenon Holdings delivered high revenue in 5 straight years, with revenue growing 85.2% from 2019 to a record $691.8 million in 2023. During this period, the compound annual growth rate was an impressive 16.7%.
What about the profitability here, John?
On the bottom line, Kenon Holdings has reported mixed results, but it produced strong profitability from 2020 to 2022, though it reported a loss in 2023. With return to profits for 2024, there is growing optimism. Kenon Holdings' third quarter earnings were 81 cents per diluted share, growing to $3.08 per diluted share for the 9 months to September 30th. Now, the company's fund statement shows positive free cash flow in 3 of the last 5 years, including record $496.7 million in 2022. Now, free cash flow turned negative again in 2023, but that was due to the bottom line loss. Now, free cash flow is important because it's what the company uses to pay for dividends, debt, and to buy back shares. Now, in spite of negative free cash flow of $65.5 million in 2023, Kenon Holdings increased its share buyback to $60 million from $10 million. The company will repurchase to $30 million by the end of March 2025.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, what does Kenon's annual dividend look like?
Unlike the majority of dividend stocks, Kenon Holdings stock only pays a dividend once a year, and that's in April. The 2024 payment was $3.80 per share, representing a forward dividend yield of 12.8%. In April of 2023, the dividend was $2.79 per share. Now, based on the results, we expect Kenon Holdings' nice dividend to continue, especially given the strong dividend coverage ratio of 3.8 times.
John, thank you so much for your insights. As mentioned earlier, KEN stock has extremely high insider ownership of 56.3%, which can be viewed as a positive sign. The valuations of 2.3 times on a revenue basis look reasonable for a Kenon's holding stock as well. Plus, you get a high dividend yield. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.